tell me if this sounds familiar. You spend time creating ads, making improvements to your website, researching the best Facebook ad campaign to launch, then you launch an Advantage Plus campaign, and you instantly start getting results. You feel on top of the moon. Until about 7 days in, you just stop getting purchases. And your once 2.5 ROAS is now dwindling below a 1. What happened? You did everything right. You were even getting purchases. Why did it all of a sudden stop? Did Facebook do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? Is it not optimized? Does Facebook just hate you? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer all these questions and tell you how to prevent this in the future. But before we dive into that, give me 30 seconds to introduce this channel. We are the Ecommerce Alley, and over the last 10 years, we've been helping e-commerce businesses grow through marketing, business strategy, and specifically Facebook ads. Right now, we oversee about $30 million in ad spend per year with over 400 clients. Our mission is to help every e-commerce business owner grow their business and experience freedom in their life. So if that's you, consider subscribing. It's free and we release new content all the time. We also try not to hold back, so you'll go buy something else. That said, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah, does Facebook hate you? Simple answer, no. It helps to understand how Facebook optimization works though to better understand this. Every time you launch a new campaign, it's Facebook's job to go find the people most likely to interact with your ad. And over a few days of optimization, it works its way down the funnel, starting with cost per unique outbound click, moving to add to cart, then purchase. This is why it takes time for a campaign to optimize. It has to find people that want to take all of these actions. And the only way to do this is to start from the bottom. So you launch your shiny new ad campaign and you start to see people clicking. It can feel really exciting, but nothing beats getting that first purchase. Facebook finally was able to find someone that was willing to click on the ad. And then once they landed on your page, they added to cart and then purchased. So now it's Facebook's job to go find more people similar to that person to show your ads to. It uses things like searches, friends, interests, and actions taken on platform to find others similar. Facebook optimization is just a learning AI like ChatGPT. It picks up on patterns and chooses the next most obvious thing to do, or person to target. So when you launched that shiny new ad campaign, how did it find that first purchase? Well, the most obvious thing to do is to hit your existing customer base, or people that have interacted with your brand in the past. This will be the most obvious thing for Facebook to do to get that first purchase. Then as it continues to optimize, it's going to find more people like that to continue targeting. However, this is where the issue arises. Odds are, if you have experienced this in the past, you get a few purchases in that first week or so of running a campaign, and then it all falls apart. Facebook started by doing what I just explained, and found maybe 3 to 4 similar people to that initial purchaser. Maybe that have interacted with your brand in the past or had an understanding of your product. Maybe they have similar pain points. But there are only so many people that fit that particular description. And Facebook has already found all 3 or 4 of them. At this point, the optimization algorithm is now forced to go outside of your existing customers and find new people that have never heard of you or your product or the problems you solve. And if your ad is not set up to clearly communicate all of this, this is where your purchases drop off. It's pretty easy to advertise to your existing customers. You can typically just show them your product, maybe with some sort of offer on the ad, and they'll probably buy. They've already looked into the product, educated themselves on it, and they understand the value. So this can make your campaign look really good to start and then look really bad after that. But what's really going on under the hood is that Facebook just ran out of people that are easy to sell to, and your ads aren't carrying enough of the weight to educate new people about your product. Often this leads to people believing that the campaign structure is to blame, but actually it's your ads. So if you've ran into this problem before and you want to learn what ads we see working best right now, I'd highly recommend watching this video. And if you liked this video and it helped kind of make more sense of your advertising campaign, I would encourage you to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.